How's it going? Dave here, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you a crash course in the melodic minor scale and its modes. So you're going to be learning how to play each particular mode, you're going to learn what chords to use, and I'm going to show you a quick example of each mode in action. So let's get started with the first mode, and that is the melodic minor scale itself. So the melodic minor scale consists of your root, second, flat third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. And you play the scale over a minor major 7 chord. Just like that. We're going to be playing every scale with a root note of A in today's video. So this is how you play the scale. 5, 7, 8 on the low E string, 5, 7 on the A string, 4, 6, 7 on the D string, 4, 5, 7 on the G string, 5, 7 on the B string, and 4, 5, 7, 8 on the high E string. Now again, this is a crash course, so I'm not going to go into a huge amount of detail on each particular scale, but I do dive deeper in other videos, so I'll link them down below. I did do a video specifically on the melodic minor scale where I do dive deep, so you can check that out if you want to. The second mode is the Durian Flat 2 mode. You may also hear it as a Phrygian sharp 6, but I think Durian Flat 2 is a more common name for it. And you can play over a minor 7 chord. However, I think that this particular mode sounds really great over an A7 sus4 flat 9 chord. If you take the 7th away and just play A sus4 flat 9. So to play the scale, it is 5, 6, 8 on the low E string, 5, 7 on the A string, 4, 5, 7, 8 on the D string, 5, 7 on the G string, 5, 7, 8 on the B string, and 5, 6, 8 on the high E string. The third mode is the Lydian Augmented scale. Now this scale consists of root, second, third, sharp 4th, sharp 5th, 6th and 7th, is played over a major 7 sharp 5 chord. Sounds like that. Now this is popularly used in the Simpsons theme song, and also a really good example of Lydian Augmented would be the first 30 seconds or so of Epiphany by Intervals. I really love that tune, so go check that out. So to play the scale, we are going to be playing 5, 7 on the low E string, 4, 6 on the A string, 3, 4, 6, 7 on the D string, 4, 6 on the G string, 4, 6, 7 on the B string, and 4, 5, 7 on the E string. The fourth mode of the melodic minor scale is called the Lydian Dominant scale. You may also hear it called the overtone scale. Now this scale consists of a root, second, third, sharp 4th, 5th, 6th and flat 7th. You can play this particular scale over dominant 7 chords. And in particularly tritone substitutions. That sounds really good. Now I've done a video where I've used tritone substitutions and played the Lydian Dominant scale. You can check it out there, and I've also linked it down in the description and the comments. So to play the scale, we are going to be playing 5, 7 on the low E string, 4, 6, 7 on the A string, 4, 5, 7 on the D string, 4, 6 on the G string, 4, 5, 7, 8 on the B string, and 5, 7 on the high E string. The fifth mode of the melodic minor scale is called Mixolydian Flat 6, and it's also known as the Hindu scale as well. This is probably the most usable one in terms of writing an entire song. You could probably do that with this one. It is played over either a major chord or a dominant 7 chord, and I really like playing maybe a 1 to 4 chord progression, but with a minor 4 chord. So an A major to a D minor. That sounds really nice when you're using this scale. Now we play the scale by playing 5-7 on the low E string, 4-5-7-8 on the A string, 5-7 on the D string, 4-6-7 on the G string, 5-6-8 on the B string, and then 5-7 on the high E string. The 6th mode of the melodic minor scale is the Aeolian Flat 5 scale, which is also known as the Locrian Natural 2 scale. It consists of root 2nd, flat 3rd, 4th, flat 5th, flat 6th, flat 7th. And you play it over a minor 7, flat 5. A half diminished chord. And also it's known as the half diminished scale too. So how do you play the scale? So we're going to play 5-7-8 on the low E string, 5-6-8 on the A string, 5-7 on the D string, 4-5-7-8 on the G string, 6-8 on the B string, and then 5-7-8 on the high E string. The 7th mode of the melodic minor scale is the altered scale, which is also known as the super Locrian scale or the diminished whole tone scale. Now, this scale consists of a root, flat 2nd, flat 3rd, flat 4th, flat 5th, flat 6th, and a flat 7th.
Flat everything.
You play the scale over dominant chords that have altered tensions. I've talked all about altered dominant chords in a video, which you can check out. And I think this scale is very, very useful in spicing up your playing. We are going to play 5-6-8-9 on the low E string, 6-8 on the A string, 5-7-8 on the D string, 5-6-8 on the G string, 6-8 on the B string, and then 5-6-8-9 on the high E string. That is the melodic minor scale and its modes. It's just a quick crash course so that you can get to know the modes themselves. We've not gone really too far in detail in all the modes, but I've done a few videos which you can check in the comments and the description if you want to go deeper on a few of them, and I'll be doing more videos on the rest of the modes, going deeper on them as well. So if you enjoyed the video, please click like, let me know what you thought in the comments, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click that notification bell. And also, you can check out my new book, Chord Charisma, which is in the description. And I will see you in the next video.